Hi guys, so today we are taking a culinary journey to the beautiful state of Goa. Get ready to savor the fiery flavors of Goan cuisine with a classic recipe, Goan Sardine Ambot Tikk. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of making this Goan Sardine Ambot Tikk recipe, which is very simple and easy to make. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 13 sardines washed and clean, add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix and marinate it for about 1 hour. Then to make the Ambot Tikk masala, take a mixer jar and add 10 Kashmiri Dry Red Chillies, 1.5 tablespoon Coriander Seeds, half tablespoon Cumin Seeds, 3 garlic cloves, 3 cm round tamarind, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 16 cloves, 27 to 30 black peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup water. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, 2 green chilies and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the masala paste which was previously made and then fry the masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then allow it to boil. Then add 10 to 12 kokum rinsed dried or binda sola. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, half tablespoon sugar and give it a nice mix. Then add the marinated fish and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And gently mix it. And boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a fiery and flavorful Goan Sardine Ambot Tikk. The perfect blend of spicy, tangy and savory flavor will leave you craving more. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.